In 2026, the internet is creating jobs that simply did not exist before AI became mainstream. Not just old jobs with new software, but entirely new roles built around managing, guiding, evaluating, scaling, and monetizing AI systems. That is the real shift. AI is not only automating work, it is also creating new kinds of digital work that only make sense in an AI powered economy. The World Economic Forum says AI and information processing are expected to affect 86% of businesses by 2030, and recent 2026 reporting shows companies actively reshaping teams around new AI related needs. One of the clearest new internet jobs is the AI trainer. This role exists because AI systems need human feedback, examples, corrections, and supervision to perform better. AI trainers help models learn how to respond more accurately, more safely, and more usefully. That can include reviewing outputs, rating answers, labeling edge cases, and shaping how systems behave in real use. Recent 2026 job market commentary highlights AI training and human feedback work as a growing category rather than a niche side task. Another new role is the AI evaluator or AI quality reviewer. This job exists because AI output is fluent but not always correct. Businesses now need people whose job is to test model outputs, catch hallucinations, compare quality across tools, and decide whether AI generated work is actually usable. In 2026, this kind of judgment work is becoming more valuable because the real competitive advantage is no longer generating output but validating it. Then there is the prompt engineer or AI workflow designer. This role emerged because businesses realized that getting good results from AI is not just about asking random questions. It often requires structured instructions, logic flows, context design, tool use, and repeatable systems. LinkedIn and other 2026 career discussions still list prompt engineering among the recognizable AI era roles, even as the title evolves into broader workflow and systems design positions. A newer business facing role is the AI operations specialist. This is the person who helps a company actually use AI in day to day work. They connect tools, build automations, set up processes, test systems, and make sure AI is saving time instead of creating chaos. What is emerging in 2026 is not always flashy job titles, but practical roles filling the gap between AI capability and business execution. Another AI born internet job is the AI content repurposer. This role did not really exist before AI because one person could not easily turn a single idea into many formats at scale. Now, creators and brands need people who can use AI to transform long videos into clips, podcasts into articles, articles into threads, and one piece of content into multilingual or cross platform assets. Business Insider's 2026 Creator Economy Startup Roundup points to companies like OpusClip and FAL that are built around exactly this kind of AI assisted media workflow. There is also the rise of the AI avatar manager or digital persona operator. This job exists because creators, educators, and public figures can now monetize AI versions of their voice, style, or knowledge. Someone has to build, maintain, train, monitor, and improve those AI personas. Business Insider's 2026 reporting highlights Delphi, a startup that lets creators build AI chatbots based on their speech and writing, showing that digital versions of people are becoming part of real online business models. A closely related role is the AI localization and dubbing specialist. This job is growing because AI has made it possible to scale voiceovers, dubbing, translation, and multilingual media faster than before. In earlier internet eras, localization was slower and more expensive. In 2026, AI has created demand for people who know how to manage voice models, translation quality, dubbing workflows, and cross market content expansion. This is one of those jobs that only became commercially viable because AI changed the production economics. Another new internet job is the AI safety reviewer or AI ethics specialist. This role exists because AI systems can create bias, misinformation, privacy risks, or unsafe outputs at scale. Companies now need people who can examine those risks, design guardrails, and keep systems aligned with policy and trust requirements. Recent 2026 career discussions continue to highlight AI ethics and safety roles as part of the emerging AI labor market. Then there is the AI storyteller or AI communication strategist. This sounds unusual, but it is real. As AI becomes central to products and companies, businesses need specialists who can explain AI clearly to customers, media, and investors. Business Insider recently reported that companies such as Adobe were hiring for roles focused on artificial intelligence storytelling, which shows that even narrative itself is becoming an AI era job category. We are also seeing the rise of creator AI managers and AI commerce operators. These roles exist because creators now use AI for fan engagement, product recommendations, media production, and monetization systems. Startups in the 2026 creator economy are building tools for AI powered ad buying, fan interaction, creator analytics, and automated media workflows. When new infrastructure appears, new jobs appear with it. What makes all these roles different from traditional internet jobs is that they are not just digital versions of old work. They are jobs created by the need to supervise AI, improve AI, translate human intent into AI systems, and turn AI into actual business value. That is why these jobs now exist only because of AI. Without generative models, agent systems, voice cloning, AI content tools, and automated workflows, many of these roles would not even make sense as careers. This is an inference, but it is strongly supported by the way 2026 reporting describes businesses hiring around AI capability gaps rather than just replacing existing staff. So, what internet jobs now exist only because of AI? AI trainers, AI evaluators, prompt engineers, AI workflow designers, AI operations specialists, AI content repurposers, AI avatar managers, AI localization and dubbing specialists, AI safety reviewers, AI storytelling and communication specialists, creator AI managers, AI commerce operators. The big shift is this. In 2026, AI is not only changing existing online work, it is inventing whole new categories of internet jobs that revolve around making machines useful, trustworthy, scalable, and profitable. That is why the internet job market now includes roles that would have sounded completely made up just a few years ago.